Hello everyone. We started solving 2020 Wassce GC series questions from question 1 and we have come to question 2a. Look at the question. Given that cos 60 degree equals sin 30 degree and that equals to half, and we have cos 30 degree and sin 60 degree equals to root 3 over 2. Evaluate tan 60 degree minus 1 over 1 minus tan 30 degree. You will notice that there was no tan from the question, but here we have in the question from what we asked to evaluate tan. Now you recall from the identities that we have known before that what? You recall that tan theta, tan of any angle equals to sin theta of that angle over cos theta of the same angle. And that is what we are going to be using to solve this. Hence, we are going to start with sin 30 and cos 60. To get our tan 30 now, let's start with tan 60. That will be what? Sin 60 over cos 60. Very good. And that will be equals to what is sin 60 from what you are given? Sin 60 equals to root 3 over 2. And divided by cos 60 from what we have here, that is half. And if we do this very well, we are going to be getting root 3 over 2 times, it will turn around the inverse. So that 2 cancel 2, and our tan 60 is root 3. Tan 30 is inverse of tan 60, but we are still going to solve that. So tan 30, what do you think that will be? It will be sin 30, it will have the same value, 30, over the same value again, 30. Very good. So what is sin 30 from what we are given from the question? Half. And cos 30 is root 3 over 2, half, divided by root 3 over 2. So if you look at this very well again, this one becomes what? Half times root 3. The 2 will turn up, and that becomes 2 over root 3, such that 2 will take care of 2, and that is 1 over root 3. So we have known the value of tan 60 and tan 30. So we can now move on from the question that we are given. Tan 60, that is root 3. We are moving on from there now. Root 3 minus 1. Everything over 1 minus tan 30 is 1 over root 3. Remember from the law of surd, anytime you have root underneath the denominator, you rationalize, and that will be times root 3 times root 3. And that becomes 1 times root 3 is root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is root 9, and that is 3. In a nutshell, root 3 times root 3 is 3. So tan 30 is either 1 over root 3 or root 3 over 3. So I prefer using root 3 over 3. We can simplify this in a simplified term by saying root 3 minus 1 divided by 1 minus root 3 over 3. Very good. So let's move on from here. So that will now be equals to what? Root 3 minus 1. We can do the LCM of this. That will be 3. We have over 1. 1 in 3 is 3 times 1, 3. 3 in 3 is 1 times root 3, root 3. So that becomes root 3 minus 1 times, it will go up again, 3 over 3 minus root 3. This is a question on its own. This stage we are now, you can be asked to do that as well. And that's are saying 3 times root 3, 3 root 3 minus 3. And everything 3 minus root 3. Anytime you come to this stage, is a question on its own. Like I said, you can say you should simplify this. What do you do? What will you do? You do the conjugate, and that will be 3 plus root 3 over 3 plus root 3. The conjugate of this will now be 3 plus root 3. 3 negative root 3 is 3 plus root 3. That will be the conjugate. So we have to expand this. And how do we expand that? Our normal way of expanding, take the first one times everything we have there. Take the second one again times everything we have there. Now you notice that the denominator is different of 2 squares because we have 3 the same, we have 3 the same, negative, positive, and we have these that are the same. So you can just quickly take the first one, square it, take the second one as well, square it, because it's a difference of 2 squares. So what going to be now? So we now have root 3 root 3 times 3 will give us 9 root 3, very good. 3 root 3 times root 3, that will give us what? 3 times 1 is 3, then we have root 3 times root 3, that is 3. 3 times 3, 9. Negative times positive will give us negative, then we have 3 root 3, very good. I think we are in order, very good. Over 3 squared is 9 minus root 3 squared, that is root 3 times root 3, that gives us 3. So let's collect like terms. So we have 9 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Math is easy if you can practice well and pay attention to what you are doing without any distraction. So we have 9 minus 3, that gives us 6. So 9 root 3 minus 3 root 3, that is 6 root 3. 9 minus 9, that gives us 0. So we have left with this. So that 6 cancels 6, and the whole answer is root 3. If you are new on this channel, I would like you to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you can get more of our simplified videos. See you in the next question.